Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dissect the latest in kitchen tech to help you make informed buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the Ninja Double Stack Air Fryer, a unique entry in the world of air frying that promises to revolutionize how you cook. Hey everyone, in this review, we're taking a deep dive into the Ninja Double Stack Air Fryer. This isn't your average air fryer. It's designed with a vertical stacking system that maximizes cooking capacity while minimizing countertop footprint. Perfect for those of us with smaller kitchens or who simply value space efficiency. Let's start with the design. The Ninja Double Stack stands out with its sleek, modern look. It's compact yet sturdy, sporting a slate gray finish that blends well with most kitchen aesthetics. The vertical stacking of its two drawers not only saves space but also allows for the inclusion of two additional stainless steel racks, effectively doubling your cooking surface. Navigating the Ninja Double Stack is intuitive, thanks to its side-mounted dashboard. Here, you'll find a clear LCD screen displaying cooking times and temperatures for each drawer. The interface includes 6 preset cooking modes: air fry, max crisp, roast, bake, dehydrate, and reheat, all accessible with a few button presses. It's user-friendly and well-suited for both beginners and experienced cooks. Now, let's talk performance. The Ninja Double Stack doesn't compromise on cooking quality. During our tests, it delivered consistently crispy results across various dishes, from chicken wings to fries. The sync and match settings ensure that both drawers operate synchronously, maintaining precise cooking temperatures without cross-contamination of flavors. So, should you buy the Ninja Double Stack Air Fryer? If you're looking to maximize both your cooking and countertop space without compromising on performance, this is a solid choice. It's ideal for small kitchens or anyone who values efficiency in their cooking appliances. That wraps up our review of the Ninja Double Stack Air Fryer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. Have any questions or want us to review another product? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Stay tuned for more unbiased reviews to help you choose the best products for your lifestyle. See you in the next video.